Good morning everyone. Today is moving day. So we're all packed up in here. So what used to be our lounge at the back here, as you can see, is all empty now. You can even hear it echoing in here. But over here, as you can see, everything that was in there folded up quite nicely. We've got the chairs folded over here. Tables just fold up nicely on the bed. The TV that belongs up here is resting on the bed. Computer, little chairs all put away, everything else is away. My sewing machine that was here is put back in its little cubby hole underneath the sink, and everything is packed ready to go. Now at the back here, as you can see, I put up earlier, last video, there you go, you can see the ramp there. Got a couple of blankets at the corner there that we're going to put over the back of the bikes just to make sure that they're protected and not going to rub on the back of that new ramp. And down here we've got all our tie downs set up ready to go, so ready for the bikes to come out. So Frank's just about to open up the tailgate now. It'll be noisy. The tailgate makes a lot of noise. Here we go. So there's Frank, our birthday boy today.
Oh, yeah.
So now he's got
It's just a number.
a couple of stands to put under to support our tailgate before we pull the ramp over. There we go. And hook this, we don't need that now. We've got the support from the ramp, the stands, and now it's just a matter of undoing the latches that keep the ramp from bouncing around. There's another one over here. Do you need my help? Okay, now here we go. Up and over we go. Simple as this now. And it's done. Voila. Okay, and over in the distance you can see the bikes in the shed. So Frank's just about to go and get his bike and set it up. Here we go. And one bike in. Okay, here we come with my bike. There we go. Okay, so we're all in. You can see the bikes are all settled in place. Tie downs are all on. Transport mode. Now Frank just picks up the folds it over into place, and then over here latches it on. I'll stop that from moving. Over here. One. Alright, are you ready for the loud noise as we shut the...
Put the cable back on, eh?
What a good idea. and tight, and there's a gap between them, and we're all good.
So that's it. 2 bikes loaded on the new ramp setup. We've had a few different versions of that, haven't we? But this one seems good. Much easier to get the bikes up there.
We've only used it once, so we've put the bikes into the van. We haven't taken them out, but normally taking them out is not a problem, but having the extra width will just give us a bit more peace of mind as they come out. Because if something does go astray, we've got plenty of room for Frank to put his feet down and support the bikes.
Yeah. So, as Teresa said, first time, worked well. So it's good. And as they say, no instructions. Instructions don't matter, and the rules, we don't care. Right, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We need as many subscribers as we can get. Like our videos, and feel free to leave a comment if you've got a setup where you load bikes into the back. We wouldn't mind seeing that as well.
Or even if you just take some sort of toys with you. There's all sorts of things that people take with them. There's e-bikes,
Quaddies,
there's scooters,
jet skis,
people use jet skis and these things.
small animals.
Yeah, a lot of people. Yes, a few people have used the back area instead of a garage like we do for our bikes. They use it for pets. So plenty of different uses that you can do to customise your travels around Australia.
Yep.
And enjoy the best of every world possible.
Yep. Subscribe, like, comment. Peace out.